Hi, this is Miss Palomino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply decimals. Here we have the 4 steps. Step 1, you're gonna line up the numbers. Step 2, you're gonna multiply, just multiply normal, like if there were not decimals in that multiplication. Step 3, you're gonna count how many numbers are behind a decimal in the numbers that you're multiplying. And step 4, you're gonna move the decimal to the left that amount of times in your answer. So let's apply that, let's practice. For example, 0.12 times 1.5. So we're gonna line up the numbers. We're gonna multiply normal. 5 times 2 is 10, and 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. You can put a 0 here, add these numbers. Step 3, we're gonna count how many numbers are behind a decimal in the numbers you are multiplying. One, 2, 1, a total of 3. Step 4, move the decimal to the left that amount of times in your answer. 1, 2, 3. You can add a 0 if you want, but this is our final answer. Here's another example. We're gonna line up the numbers first. Now I'm gonna ignore my negatives, and the reason is I know that when I multiply two numbers and both have the same sign, my answer is gonna be positive. So for that reason, I know that my answer is gonna be positive. I'm not even gonna use it in my multiplication. 5 times 5 is 25, carry a 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And 5 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. And 0 times 0 is 0. And you can add a 0 here if you want. You're gonna add these numbers. Step 3, we're gonna count how many numbers are behind a decimal in the numbers you are multiplying. These are my two numbers, so here's 2 spaces, and here is one more, total of 3. So I'm gonna start here on the right, move to the left, 3 spaces to the left, and here's my final answer. Let me know if you have any other question regarding multiplying decimals. Feel free to send me your questions, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.